Okay, so today we are making feta buffalo mac and cheese. So we have the feta in there already, and I am putting a block of cream cheese on top of it. And then we are putting in about 1.5 pounds of pasta. So we're just gonna spread that out around. Then we're going to add in the cheese. So we have cheddar cheese. So 3 cups. Pour that in there. Next, we are adding the milk.
How much milk?
We have 6 cups of milk. All right, next we are adding the buffalo sauce. So you can just dump that in there. We're just gonna use all of it. All right, next we are going to add salt. So we have garlic salt here. Sprinkle it on in. And then pepper. And then we are going to put it in the oven at 350 degrees.
For how long?
For about 15 minutes. So once it's out of the oven, you are going to mix the cheese in, like so. This looks pretty good. A lot of cheese. And then you can add in any of the fixings. Today we have chicken.